welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this Valentine's Day date night makeup, whatever you want to call it. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done. I'm just going to pop on my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. Love this stuff. My eyelids get oily, so this keeps them matte, and my eyeshadows stay in place all day. And it also gives your eyelids a nice base. So if you have any like discoloration or whatchamacallit, veins, stuff like that, covers that right up. So today I'm going to be going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, the original. And at first I need to before I go in with that, I'm just going to grab this color Fresh from the Sultry palette and just set my eyeshadow primer. So the first shade I'm going to take with my Morphe R37 is this shade right here. They don't have names, so I can't tell you what the names of them are, but I will just point them out as we go. Use any palette that you have with similar colors. And I'm just going to use that as the transition shade. Get a little bit more. Just gonna have like a nice neutral smoky eye. Next I'm going to take this shade right here and just do the same thing, just going over what we did with the other color. When it comes to eyeshadow, blending and the brushes that you use to put it on are the most important. That's what literally makes your eyeshadow. So when you're blending out your transition shade, always go with like a natural haired brush, which usually is white hair, and make it very fluffy and just very lightly go in windshield wiper motions back and forth until it's blended out the way you want it. Next, I am going to take a darker brown color on my Morphe 433. It's a more dense natural haired brush also. And I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade right here. This palette doesn't have a mirror, so I keep putting it down and then picking up my little mirror from my little Becca blush. And I'm just going to pop that color right in the outer corner here. And you want to keep that just very out here in the outer corner and lower than the other two colors that we used. So that is that. Then I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Also, like the top of this brush helps you create like that perfect line into your crease. And go back in with this blending brush that we first used. Just blend out those lines a little bit. And with the smaller one we used with the darker brown, just to create a nice little seamless line here. And I'm going to take my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner, Micro Tip one in the dark brown shade. If you have a black and you want to use a black, go right ahead. And I'm just going to line my upper lid. So very quickly, I'm just going to do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to start with my face. I'm going to go in with my Dermalogica Skin Perfect Primer. Just press that into my T-zone. Today I'm going to be using my YSL All Hours foundation. Obsessed with this. Pumping that onto my e.l.f. sponge. And just putting this all over my face as usual. Take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Medium Honey and pop that under my eyes. And just blend that out really quick. Going to take my beloved Too Faced Peach Perfect powder to set my face. Okay, just to finish up the eyes, I'm going to take my Morphe M432 shader brush and this dark brown shade and just pop that underneath my lower lash line on the outer half. And then I will take, where is my little pencil brush? Here it is, my Morphe JH52 and this brown shade that we used in the crease. To take my Benefit Cheekleaders palette and my Morphe JH11 and go into the Hula Caramel shade and bronze up the face. Going to take my Morphe R10 with the regular Hula shade to contour. Just going to take my sponge and clean up the bronzer and the contour. And I'm going to go in with my Becca blush in the shade Wild Honey and on my Morphe E4. And I'm going to take take my cookie highlighter on my Morphe 510. Going back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, just going to take this first shade and highlight my inner corners. Sorry if this video is a little noisy. Can't really control my 2-year-old. If you have a child, you know. If you know, you know. I love the pop of color highlight on the inner corner. And under the eyebrow, it just gives your eyes a lift. I'm going to go in with my KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 0.5. And my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade My Type. So I changed my outfit, did my hair, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below with what you want to see next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.